Hey everyone, welcome back to Curious Combo Trading. Today I'm diving into the DAX price action from Friday, February 21st to this morning, Monday 24th. The overnight session in Asia and what seems to be developing in European markets hits Monday morning fairly clearly. And if we look at this 1 hour chart here, the DAX has been trending downward but found a strong support around 22,107 right here. The buyers have already aggressively stepped in ahead of the German elections, causing a sharp reversal into the close. The 1 hour chart confirms the move with increasing volume and a clear shift momentum. And as you can see, what I have here, I have the moving averages with values 21, 50 and 155. And as you can see, we moved into the bullish territory with the clear crossover here, Wednesday, February 5th. And since then, the price has hovered and returned and touched and moved between the moving averages of 21 days and 50 days. But never even this dip have the moving averages crossed over to the bearish territory beyond the 155 days moving average. So now we're just looking for a confirmation after the market open today, 10 o'clock, if this momentum continues. And as you know, the prices love to range, so we'll be watching closely if we get a bullish confirmation on the moving averages and still going back to the 22,871, which is the all-time highs here, all the way to 22,933. And as you know, over the weekend, the German elections shook things up really, and it's making a mark on this Monday open. The CDU-CSU bloc secured its victory, but the far-right AfD has made significant gains. And this is definitely adding a layer of political uncertainty to the markets, but also volatility early in the week. Now, given this backdrop, the investors might be cautious about the potential economic implications. Let's see what's going to happen, but we can see how it has already affected the early sentiment. Overnight in Asia, markets reacted to the European uncertainty with mixed sentiment. The Nikkei pushed higher while Chinese and Hong Kong equities showed some, I think US futures have remained relatively stable, but traders seem to be waiting for the European Open to gauge how DAX will respond overall. And so what's happening as we head into the Open later today? As of now, the futures indicate a slightly bullish bias, with DAX trading around 22,300 in pre-market action. The key resistance zones we're watching is 22,000 areas between 519 to 573, and the support remains all the way down to 21,869. Additionally, the inflation data from the Eurozone is set to be released later today around 11 or 12 noon, and that could influence price action significantly. So be cautious with and around the open. So I'm keeping my eye on my double stochastic strategy, waiting for oversold conditions and bullish cross before considering an entry. Ideally, if we get a dip towards 22,056 and seeing a buying pressure, that could present a strong long opportunity. However, if uncertainty dominates and we break below these 22,300, 22,174, I think I need to reassess and look for short opportunities or just sit on my hands for the beginning of the week. All right, I think that's for today's market prep. Let me know in the comments what your outlook is for today's session. Bullish, bearish, uncertain. And if you don't mind, give me a like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss these daily updates and trading recaps. I'll be here every day. I'll see you tomorrow.